Yeah? Bojangles, can you talk? What are you saying? What good boy? Yeah? You want to go to the dog park?
Let's see. We go to PetSmart?
Want to go to your favorite store? Oh, you do, huh? Yeah? What a good boy.
Jeez. That is a bark and a whine. A howl and a whine. Yeah, I know, I hear it.
What a good boy.